Hey guys, what's going on? So today we are starting a new series. That's right. We are going to be building a project car and hopefully giving it away to one of you. Alright guys, so without further ado, here we go. We got a 2013 Honda Civic SI. Just picked it up. So as you can see, we got some rear end damage here. Really this quarter panel right here. And y'all are going to go through me with this on the rebuild for this. So I'm going to be doing all the work myself, or at least hopefully. Just take a little quick look on the inside. Starts right up. We got us a project here, guys. There we go. We got it running. So yeah, that's the project here. This is going to be a long journey here, and my goal is to give this car away to one of you lucky people. So if we hit 100,000 subs, I will be giving this car away to one of y'all. And along the way, I want y'all to pick out what modifications you want done to it. Think about doing a wrap on it. So help me pick the color. Kind of figure out if we want to go for a daily build or more of like a turbo, go like turbo or supercharger on this thing. So y'all let me know what you want me to do with it, and we're gonna make it happen. The goal is 100,000 subs. When we hit 100k subs on this channel, gonna be giving this away to one of y'all. You don't have to buy anything, nothing like that. Simply, we're gonna get this channel to 100k subs and giving it away to one of you lucky people here. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet ride. Got some work ahead of me and gonna be recording the whole entire journey, and I hope y'all enjoy the journey. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, comment what you want me to do to it, subscribe, share with all your friends so we can get this channel up to 100k, and then one of you lucky people are going to get this car. It's as simple as that. So subscribe and let your friends know to subscribe, and let's get this ball rolling. Let's go. See y'all in the next video. And just to follow up on that, if this series goes well, expect many more of these builds to come and to be much crazier. We're starting out with the Civic, and after this, I'm gonna put a poll up as to what car you want me to do next. But we're starting out with the Civic. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.